The root of all imbalance: atom, human, Earth. Atoms, humans, and Earth, our local system, were once aligned with one source. But today, this system is imbalanced. The atom is unstable, the human is distracted, and the Earth is tilted. Where did this local disconnection begin? And how do we realign our atomic structure, intuition, and Earth's rhythm with the ultimate source? The foundation of universal balance. In the beginning, everything was interconnected through an unseen but deeply felt connection, what we may call the ultimate umbilical cord. Every atom was aligned with universal rhythm. Every human was tuned to organic consciousness. Every planet rotated in synchronized harmony. There was no chaos, only flow. Atomic imbalance. Atoms are the smallest building blocks of the universe. Each atom holds a balance between positive, proton, negative, electron, and neutral, neutron. When this harmony is lost, even slightly, the result is instability, decay, or explosion. Similarly, when the human system loses its inner atomic alignment, mental health collapses, emotions spike, and reactions become erratic. The core of energy shifts from conscious expression to chaotic outbursts. One of the deepest root causes of this instability is electron domination. In atomic structure, electrons are reactive, fast, and chaotic. When electron behavior dominates a human's mental system, it creates restlessness, impulsivity, anxiety, and confusion. This electron dominance suppresses the subtle, gentle signal of the neutron, which represents neutral rhythm, balance, and internal wisdom. The disconnection from intuition. Intuition is not imagination. It is the organic signal that comes from our connection to the universal rhythm. When electron behavior dominates, the signal of intuition becomes diluted. People begin to ignore or fear their intuition. This is not because intuition doesn't exist, but because they are out of balance to receive it. When the human system fails to listen to intuition, they miss the proposals of elevation, inner guidance for their next step. This is the fundamental problem. Without reconnecting to the neutral rhythm, elevation becomes impossible. Earth's tilt, the sign of macro imbalance. Earth is tilted at 23.5 degrees, not by accident, but as a symbol. It shows us that the planetary system itself is operating at a tilted angle, a reflection of internal instability. This tilt causes climate shifts, time distortions, and ecosystem imbalance. Just like a child disconnected from the mother's womb, Earth too, over time, has shifted further from the central universal rhythm. The disconnection from the cosmic mother. When a child is born, the umbilical cord is cut. This marks the beginning of individual life, but also separation from the mother's direct energetic supply. Similarly, around the age of 14, humans begin to disconnect from their internal intuitive mother, the cosmic root that once guided their decisions. Over time, this separation deepens. The same occurs with plants. When we pull a plant from the earth, its visible part comes out, but the main root remains buried and broken. We forget that we too are still tethered to the universal umbilical cord, but since we no longer listen to that signal, we operate on synthetic frequencies. Artificial versus organic signal. Modern systems are driven by artificial frequencies, data, screens, machines, schedules. But the original signal, the organic cosmic rhythm, is still present, waiting to be reconnected. The human nervous system, Earth's electromagnetic field, and the atom's spin, all of them are designed to align with this source signal. We are not lost, we are just disconnected. The pathway to realignment. To realign, we must return to the source, not physically, but energetically and consciously. Atoms must stabilize through balanced emotion and frequency. Humans must reset their nervous systems through breath, stillness, and intentional thought. Earth must be respected as a living system, not exploited. Reconnecting to the cosmic umbilical cord means activating our internal compass. That compass is not external knowledge, it is intuition. When intuition leads, alignment begins. Intuition is the pathway of elevation. When electron chaos calms, neutron rhythm activates. The moment we begin to truly listen, recalibration begins. The elevation you seek is not in more data, but in more listening. We are not separate entities floating in a meaningless universe. We are fragments of one system. Atoms, humans, and Earth are not independent. They are interdependent. The imbalance we see is not just environmental or emotional, it is existential. To reset the system, we must recognize the root, and the root always is connection. Support the neutral drops.